David Booth was sitting in front of his television, unable to believe what he was seeing. It was an unnerving scene, as he had already predicted the disaster but just couldn't narrow it down. For 10 nights in a row in 1979, David Booth had the same nightmare. He was deep asleep as he witnessed a jetliner veer off a runway, flip completely over, and then burst into flames. Booth felt required to inform the FAA about his dreams. Officials listened to what he had to say and concluded that he was having thoughts about a Boeing 727 or a DC-10 plane. On May 24, David Booth had his last nightmare, and little did he know that disaster was right around the corner. American Airlines DC-10 Flight 191 crashed just a few moments after takeoff from O'Hare Airport in Chicago. One of the plane's engines failed, resulting in an imbalance. The plane flipped on the runway, bursting into flames, and all 273 passengers aboard died.